This is a 2025 Honda CB1000SP. This is the big deal Hornet, and this is what it sounds like with a cold start. Not great. Today, we're gonna fix that. Let's get it rolled into the garage and put something new in this region. So guys, not only did I get my grubby little hands on a CB1000SP, also shout out to Honda America for letting me use their loaner bike for what we're doing today, but I have a Yoshi exhaust to put on this thing. This is such a new exhaust that they sent it to me with pre-production packaging and no instructions. So ballsy move, Yoshimura. But if you guys are new to our exhaust videos, I'm gonna install this Yoshimura exhaust on this bike. We've already seen what it sounds like cold. Then we're gonna take it for a ride, see what it sounds like, see how it revs, and overall just check out the vibe. That'll be later in the video, don't you dare skip. So at this point, let's see what the Yoshi looks like. And we're gonna be installing this on an inline-four. This might be the first inline-four we've installed a Yoshi exhaust on. That'll be interesting. So let's get to unboxing and see what it looks like. This is a low-key problem I have. I have so many Yoshimura boxes in this house, I forgot which one was what. So I had to open this up to make sure it was for this motorcycle. So yeah, YouTube problems, I guess. All right, first up, oh, almost major mistake. I ain't trying to have this exhaust look ugly. Look at me. Little extension pipe situation. We'll put you there. A literal cornucopia of stickers, including one I have not seen. Interesting. We'll have to add that to the list of things to stick. And oh wait, hold on. Little clamp situation. No biggie. Now, the big deal. This mini honkin' thing right here. Ah, there it is, my friends, the glory that it is. Check this, bro, like for real. What is that, dude? Oh God, it's gonna be so loud. Bro, my hand can almost fit through this. That's gonna be hilarious. Okay, considerably smaller than the one already on the motorcycle, so this might actually save a decent amount of weight. That'll be really interesting. All right, cool. Let's get to uninstalling. Guys, just because I'm curious, little cheeky size comparison. Holy crap! It's so much tinier, and we all know it's going to be so much louder. Something in that makes me so happy. So it looks like that mid pipe is gonna connect here, and that'll connect here, and then this will pop into this area, is what I'm going to assume is gonna happen. So we're dropping a few inches off the back, and this little guy, small but mighty. You know, it's always impressive to me that Honda can build such good and reliable motorcycles, but these companies have to just like sacrifice the sound because of EPA emissions and all this kind of crap. But I guess I should also be thankful because that opening in the market allows us, the motorcyclists, to decide what company we want to go with for an aftermarket exhaust. So I guess I'm not complaining, but like, this is a really good motorcycle, and it sounds like crap. It's just an observation, that's all. Hey, oh my God, guys. The weight of this is massive. That is at least 10, maybe 15 pounds. That we are gonna drop so much weight with the Yoshi exhaust. Actually, I have to hold both of these, just so I know. I'm even gonna hold the mid pipe, so it's fair. What's my dominant hand? My right hand? Yeah, I'm gonna need that for the Honda one. Oh. These cannot be compared. Okay, we're gonna stop that. Man, weight alone would be enough of a reason to upgrade the exhaust. I didn't know this previously, now I do. Okay, so that has the pulley piece, so this piece must go there. There it goes. It's really not that bad. Oh yeah, that's a nice fit. Okay, so it looks like we don't use any of the stock hardware, so that's cool. All right, the angling on this is going to be hilariously bad, but that's okay. We're going to fix that. Oh, okay, it must go on the inside. Okay, got it. Okay, cool. Dude, look how much smaller it is. Yes, absolutely yes. I mean, can we see? Hold on, you guys need a better view. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm gonna be 100 with you guys. I don't care what it sounds like. Dude, look how much cleaner this whole tailpiece is. Just so we're clear, this was the monstrosity that it was. Huh? Holy snap. I don't even know what to do with myself right now. All right, we need to stay focused. We hadn't got to hear it yet. It could sound like trash. I mean, it's not, but it could. You never know. The universe is a crazy place. Dude, just the shot from the back too. All right, we gotta stay focused, man. I'm getting distracted. I'm over here just getting excited. My apologies, guys. Dude, and just like freaking that, 5 tools and we got a new exhaust on. It's a slip-on, so you don't have to reflash the engine. It's literally just gonna drop you weight and make the bike sound better. Asterisk, maybe. So, I'm gonna go clear some space, get this thing out of here. Gonna clean out my area, roll this thing outside, and that was the quickest exhaust install we've ever done. Holy crap. Let's roll it out and see what it sounds like. After I clean up, of course. Alrighty guys, this is gonna be a cold start with the Yoshi. This is where we get to have fun. My prediction is that it's gonna sound okay, but on the road it's gonna sound fantastic. That's where my kind of thought is. I was wrong. I was so wrong. You can hear it. You can finally hear the motorcycle. How does that do that? Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing has a grumble. I really hope you guys can tell that in the microphone. This is what this bike should sound like. Okay. I'm gonna go get my gear on and let's go for a quick ride before it rains on me. Because if that sounds that good here, what is it going to sound like on the road? Oh my God. Cut to the road footage. God! I'm sorry. Shit, I'm supposed to not talk. Actually, screw that, dude. Moderate throttle and the wheel was coming up. Moderate. Like, not even trying. Oh my god. It definitely gave it some power. There's no shot that it didn't. Oh. Yes. Bro, this is the excitement that I wanted out of this motorcycle when I did the first ride. Bro, on the quick shift, the front wheel just starts going. Oh, I really like when you do the quick shifter down, the little pop gurgly thing. That little pop, boy, help. Alright, charge control's like, calm down, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bro, this is what Honda does. They put out these bikes that you know are capable of sounding and performing so much better than they are stock. And that's just what Honda does. They give us these bikes that'll last a lifetime, and they hide things. Nobody would know what this bike can sound like unless you put an exhaust on it. And not only does it wake the bike up power-wise, but it wakes the rider up because you're so much more excited to ride the damn thing. Yes! Yeah, alright, we're gonna get a ticket. We are gonna get a ticket if a cop shows up. Chill out! Every one of you guys knows exactly what I'm talking about on the highway, though. That double downshift, bro, you know you're about to have a good time when you do that. I don't care. I don't even care. Golly, Miss Molly. That is how this bike should sound. Let's do some flybys. What more could you want out of an exhaust? God dog, man. Alrighty guys, I don't know what else you want. This motorcycle was sick beforehand, and now that exhaust has just unlocked this motorcycle, and I swear to God, it has more power. Don't know how, but I'm not here to be a scientist. All I know is that if you own one of these, is a requirement. I cannot believe how good this thing sounds now. It now rides and sounds as mean as it looks. If you guys enjoy our exhaust videos, drop us a like and I will keep doing them. Just kidding. I'm gonna keep doing these regardless because like it's so fun to see what sound all of these motorcycles have the ability to sound like if you just get the right exhaust. If you guys want a link to that exhaust, if it's out yet, I'll put a link in the description, and whenever it comes out or gets production released or whatever, I'll have a description link down there for you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys enjoy riding motorcycles, and I'll see you on the next one, where I steal another motorcycle, and I put another exhaust on that I don't own. It's a weird life I live, but hey, I'm super down for it.